How to use flaxseed in Indian cooking. Just listening to folks using flax seeds in their food, I figured you could use it in different ways. Some of them include Flaxseeds Chutney. Add flaxseed to any spicy chutney. Use flax seeds in rotis, khakras, chapattis. Make flaxseed podi along with chutney powder. Healthy baked cookies with flax seeds. Jowar bread with flax seeds. Multigrain Methi Thepla with flax seed. Flaxseed Laddus enriched with Vitamin B12. Rajgira Buckwheat brown rice flour Khakhra with flax seed. Mix Vegetable Dosa with flax seeds. Kosambari with flax seed. Flaxseed offers nutritional properties like lignans, antioxidants and fiber, naturally. It is time to order the Vitamin B12 Flaxseed Laddu.